Meaning of gouge.
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 Gouge. The word gouge can have a few different meanings depending on the context. As a verb, it often refers to the act of forcibly digging or cutting into something with a sharp object. It can also be used to describe the act of overcharging or taking advantage of someone in a business transaction. As a noun, it typically refers to a tool with a curved blade used for carving or shaping wood. The word gouge generally connotes a negative or harmful action, whether physical or financial.